In Mexico, the National Institute for Access to Information and Data Protection, INAI, urged authorities to reinforce the nation's personal data protection law to give certainty to the free trade agreement between Mexico, the United States and Canada, USMCA. Next, on Latin America Screening News. Francisco Javier Acuña, president of Mexico's INAI, explained that the federal law on protection of personal data held by individuals must be updated to meet the demands of the digital age. He cited some bad practices of multinationals that changed their addresses to avoid Mexican regulations. He pointed out that the new free trade agreement is an important incentive to guarantee foreign investors will find a country with standards and expectations for the protection of data privacy. He proposed that the INAI, the Ministry of Economy, and the Internet MX Association should recommend improvements to the USMCA in terms of personal data protection. Mexico, through the INAI, is an international benchmark in the matter of personal data protection and has participated for 10 years in the Asia-Pacific Privacy Authorities Forum and has shared the Ibero-American Data Protection Network. This has been all for today. Do not forget to consult the most relevant screening information in Latin America at multilatin.com. I am Alejandro Millán, Director of Philo and Content Partner for Multilatin.